Hey guys, Ringler here. So I'm just working on my truck design for my snow plowing business. Okay, so I am working on, I have this program called Adobe Spark, which helps me to basically create. So I superimposed this truck image. My older truck, when I did landscaping for 14 years, my colors are orange. So what I do, oh, so it just popped up here. It just popped up. But I really think that, sometimes when you take the time, you put your image there, I feel like the black against the orange really pops. And orange is a very, like, your whole goal is to be as unique and distinctive as possible. You're not trying to symbolize, like, I remember back in the day, my buddy said, I don't understand why Ringler doesn't do his trucks green because that symbolizes lawn care. Well, everybody has green. Everybody's trying to symbolize the color. Forget about symbolizing the color. Create a brand that is unique. Okay, make your brand stand out from the rest of the crowd. Put put a couple of your competitors, cut out their logos and stack it and see where you fall. See where you position. See how yours looks in relation to them. If you've ever noticed, companies tend to be the opposite. Like Netflix was red, and then when Blockbuster did it, they were blue. So they tend to be the opposite. Same thing with Pepsi. Pepsi's blue, Coca-Cola red. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe. Yeah.